What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to increase your sound input and output volume on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Windows settings. Under System, click on Sound. Select the correct output and input device from this list of devices. Here, you can increase the output or input volume for your device. Depending on which Windows 11 version you are currently using and if your device supports it, you can change some additional settings like enabling the Enhance Audio option. I prefer to disable this option when using high-end audio devices, but this will come down to personal preference and it can increase your volume depending on which device you are using. With the correct drivers, you can also make use of spatial sound on Windows 11. Back in your sound settings, select Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems for your audio output or input device. This will take a minute to identify potential issues with your device and will help you fix them if possible. In case nothing helps you out, then navigate to More Sound Settings to open up your sound control panel. From here, right-click your audio device and select Properties. On this window, click on Properties in your General section. In the Driver tab of this window, select Update Driver. If this option is grayed out, then the device's driver should be up to date. Your current Windows version could also be the culprit of low sound volume. In your Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab. Here, make sure that Windows is up to date. If this is not the case, then select to install the new update, which will require you to restart your PC. After taking a look at your Windows settings, make sure that your hardware is not faulty by trying to use it on another PC or by retrying to connect through another port. Some PCs also come with third-party audio software, such as Lenovo PCs. In my case, that would be the Nahimic application. Open it up by searching for the app in your Start menu search. This application will automatically open up when connecting a new audio device, and it will ask you which device you just plugged in to optimize its settings and effects. I prefer to completely disable all edit effects in the audio section of this application, but some of these might help increase your sound volume. Lastly, open up the application or game where you'd like to increase the sound input or output volume. In this example, we will use Discord, but the process is pretty much the same for each application. On Discord, navigate to your settings. Under Voice and Video, you have the option to select the correct audio input and output device. Below, increase the input and output volume to your liking. When scrolling to the bottom of this window, you can also reset all voice settings in case your volume problem is caused by your custom settings. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.